Countable and uncountable nouns. Most nouns in English are countable. We can put a number before them. They have singular and plural forms. 1 table, 4 tables. For example, there is one fridge in the room. There are 4 chairs. There are 2 lamps on the wall. Some nouns are uncountable. We cannot put a number before them. They have no plural form. Water, some water. A little water, much water. For example, there is some water in the jug. There is a little water in the glass. We do not use a or an before an uncountable noun. We use some before an uncountable noun. Some luggage, some paper, some furniture, etc. For example, give me some cheese, please. There are ways to quantify an uncountable noun. We use measure words or counters to count the uncountable nouns. For example, 2 pieces of furniture, 1 glass of water, 1 box of cereal, 2 bars of soap. The words piece, glass, box, bar are countable nouns. We use such words to measure or count the quantity of an uncountable noun.
After this video, now you are very well understand what is countable noun and what is uncountable noun. Countable nouns are those that refer to something that can be counted, and uncountable noun that refer to something cannot be counted. Now open your book, page number 8. Exercise A, write C for countable and U for uncountable nouns. Number 1 is oil. You know oil. Can you count oil? No, na. So we write U in front of oil. Ketchup. Can you count ketchup? No. So you are writing U in front of ketchup. Can you count rice? Can you count sugar? Of course no. So we are writing U in front of this. Can you count oranges? Yes, you can count oranges. So we are writing C in front of oranges. Can you count peach? Yes, you can count. So you are writing C in front of peach. Now do this page like this. In front of uncountable noun, write U. In front of countable noun, write C. After this, next page, exercise B, use many with countable noun and much with uncountable noun. Also write C for countable and U for uncountable nouns. For example, number 1 is how much potatoes did you buy? Now tell me, can you count potatoes? Yes, of course you can count. So you are writing how many, and in last you are writing C because potatoes is countable. After this, number 2, how much sugar do you want dash? Now can you count sugar? Of course no, you cannot count. So you are writing much in how much sugar do you want. After this, sugar is countable or uncountable? Sugar is uncountable, so you are writing U in the last blank. After this, turn the page number 10. Write how many for countable and how much for uncountable. Now in the start of the sentence, you have to read the sentence and write how many if the noun is countable, and how much if the noun is uncountable. Dash cans of Coke do you want? Now you can count the cans of Coke or not? Of course you can count. So you are writing how many. After this, dash orange juice is there in your glass. Now you can count the orange juice? No, you cannot count. So you are writing how much. After this, turn the page number 11. Fill in the blanks with many or much. Sarah hasn't got dash children. Sarah hasn't got many children. I have got dash nice friends. I have got many nice friends. After this, turn the page number 12. You have to do like this, fill in the blanks with many or much. After this, page number 13. How many for countable and how much for uncountable. How dash cats are there in the garden. Now what you write, you can count cats, so we are writing how many cats. After this, number 3, dash milk is there in the bottle. So you can count the milk? No, you cannot count. So we are writing how much milk is there in the bottle. After this, turn the page number 14. Sort out the countable and uncountable nouns in the following column. Now this is the box, and uncountable noun and uncountable noun, countable singular, uncountable plural, and uncountable nouns are there. Now you have to separate the countable singular, countable plural, and uncountable. For example, banana. So banana is one banana. We are talking about one banana, so we are writing in countable singular. After this, onions. Onions is S is there, so we are writing about more than one. So we are writing in plural, countable plural column. After this, milk. Can you count milk? No, you cannot count. So we are writing in uncountable column. Like this potato, we are talking about one potato, so we are writing in singular column. Biscuits, we are talking about more than one biscuit, so we are writing in plural column. Water, we cannot count water, so we are writing in uncountable column. After this, turn the page number 15. Sort out the countable and uncountable noun in the following terms. Same like the previous page, countable and uncountable nouns are given. In this box, you have to separate the countable noun and uncountable noun. Write countable noun in countable column and uncountable noun uncountable column. After this, turn the page number 16. Sort out the countable and uncountable noun in the column. You have to separate the boxes given. You have to separate the countable noun and uncountable noun in this page number 16. You have to complete page number 8 till page number 16, countable noun and uncountable noun. Thank you.